Worried that inflation or market swings could quietly shrink your retirement savings? What if part of your portfolio could stay steady no matter what happens? Most retirement plans rely heavily on stocks and bonds, but these can lose value when the economy is uncertain. Gold and silver offer a tangible alternative. They have been trusted for centuries as assets that hold value, remain portable, and provide a sense of financial security. Physical metals give investors a hedge against inflation and economic stress, allowing you to diversify your savings and maintain more control over your money. Over time, metals have consistently acted as a store of wealth, helping savers navigate volatile markets. I'll link this guide in the description so you can explore these insights firsthand. Beyond this PDF, the Gold RA Ultimate Guide Bundle also includes titles like Silver Scheme Report and Digital Dollar Report, giving you practical perspectives on metals and the modern financial system. To safeguard your financial future and see how precious metals can anchor your retirement plan, download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. The link's in the description, and it's very easy to access and helps you move forward with confidence.